Welcome to Chuches Mind.
My is different to your dripping in sauce.
Hi guys, good afternoon. So this vlog is going to be in patches because my aim is to try out like best reviewed shawarma spot. So today I went to Farmcity, I think that's the name, and apparently Farmcity they do chicken shawarma, they don't do beef. Don't ask me why. And I don't like sausage in my shawarma, so that's another thing. But I feel like with or without shawarma, with or without sausage, if the shawarma is bomb, it is bomb. So I decided to get the chicken shawarma, and I think it's chicken and vegetable, and it comes in a pack like, hold on please, it comes in a pack like this. Can you see? Farmcity shawarma. I don't know, I'm going to place you guys so that you can see what I'm doing. Chill. Let's see. Just have to manage this struggle. So, and this is the shawarma. Kind of looks really small. Let's see. How did you open this thing? Because you can see it's already dripping. It's already dripping. I hate shawarmas that pieces. What's this? You already broke inside. Let's put it into two then. This is what inside of the shawarma looks like. Can you see? You can tell it's just chicken, whatever. I'm wasting so much time to talk because I've tasted better. I'm not going to lie. Some people that have been hyping the shawarma, it's not gonna do for me. It's not gonna work for me. I'm not really that hyped about the shawarma. It's okay, but I still feel like Milano is better. But this is okay, sha. There's actually spice in this. It's kind of spicy to me, sha. So most of you, I bet it's not going to be spicy at all. I don't know how to explain the taste. Like, it's not juicy enough for me. But you know that they put that shawarma spice thing, everything to make it all good, but it's not working for me. So I'll see you guys in my next shop, because we're doing this together, you know. I'll see you guys in our next shawarma review. This was Farmcity. They tried. I'm back. I forgot to add that the shawarma was 1,100 naira because it didn't have sausage. And I think if you want sausage, it's like 1,500. That's one sausage. And if you want two, it is 2,000. Like I said, I don't like sausage, so I didn't put any. That's why it was 1,100. And then they have one that is 1,500 of just chicken, no vegetable inside. But usually it's cheaper if you don't want sausage inside, and I don't want sausage in mine, so that's why it was cheaper. So yeah, I've come to Maroccaine. I think that's how they pronounce it. We're trying their shawarma. It's 2,000 naira and it's chicken. I'm trying chicken shawarma. So basically what I'm doing is trying out the best reviewed shawarma spots on the island. So this is the second place. I did Farmcity, that was in Lekki. I still have more to do though, but this is one. Let's try it. This is the package. I showed you guys already. This is what inside looks like. don't like this. And it's really spicy. I won't lie to you. I don't know if this is even chicken. It means chicken. Not working for me. Not working for me. Good afternoon to you. So yeah, you guys, this is like a mini break in between the shawarma tasting. I just want to show you guys or tell you guys about this amazing shawarma. So I don't know yet, but I'll try and look for or try and do like a mainland shawarma review. I will try. I'm not saying I promise I'm going to do it, but shall we talk about TFC shawarma? TFC is basically everywhere. Yeah, so this is a chicken shawarma. It's medium. There's no sausage. I don't like sausage in my shawarma, but yeah, you guys, this shawarma is amazing. Like when we moved back, this was the shawarma we were surviving on till we were introduced to better. So guys, let's do this. So this is what the shawarma looks like. Oh yeah, use it. Oh, you can see it's already, you know, you can see the juice is already coming out. Yeah, this is so much. Can you see this? I have no other way to keep this thing. I just want to taste this thing in front of you guys and then disappear. So this is what the inner part of the shawarma looks like. Let's look at all that. Look at all that. Is that sausage I see? No, it's not. It's pepper. Look at all that. And there's one place it gotta be in my mouth. So go get yours now. This shawarma is so juicy. I don't know if maybe all TFCs their shawarma tastes the same, but I recommend you try it, okay? Try it. Without drinks, this shawarma is 800 now because it's the medium size. The with drink is 1,000 naira. Or is it 900 naira? Then, okay, yes, it's 900 naira. Then the large is 1,000 naira without drink and 1,100 naira with drink. So you guys should go and try this out. It's amazing. Believe that it is amazing. Okay, so back to our island review shawarma. We got the shawarma. Look at what is on my shawarma. So you guys, this is what is inside the shawarma. This one costs 1,300 naira, and it's chicken that is inside here. Basically, I didn't put sausage in this one. You guys should know that in all my shawarmas I don't put sausage. So let's try. I don't like this shawarma. They try for the sauce, but the chicken, no. I think it's because the chicken is chicken breast, not like normal chicken, and chicken is too fat. So now, I'll give it like 7 out of 10 because of the sauce, but the chicken now. So you guys, this is where I'm getting my shawarma from. It's already ready because I already ordered for it, so I'm going to pick it. Back on my shawarma reviewing episode. This is the first shawarma I tried. Okay, second shawarma I tried when I go back apart from TFC. This is Milano. Like so far, this is like my second best after TFC. This is medium size shawarma, no sausage, because I told you guys I don't like sausage in my shawarma. And this is 1,300 naira. Let's do it. Okay. Let me have a bite. The mix of this is bomb as well. I have 2 more spots to try, and I'm done with the video. This is my second best. 10 over 10. I recommend. The rest I really didn't like them. I think my worst so far has been Farmcity. That's a 4 over 10. My second worst was Maroccaine or whatever. I didn't know my second place. Now I'm 4 over 10. I can manage Titto's. I really don't like it, so I didn't 5 over 10. So I know, like 3 different videos, same outfit. You can't blame me because I'm trying to do my review and end this review video. So I'm going to Shawarma Co. So regardless of what you buy, because now I told you guys that I don't like sausage in my shawarma. So even if I don't have sausage in my shawarma, it's still 2,000 naira. So yeah, are you excited like I am? Let's see if it is worth it. The last place I'm going to is one shawarma, and I'm ending the shawarma video. Let me just tell you guys now. Packaging. This is the packaging of the shawarma. So let's see. Let me know if this is actually worth it. Nah. I'll take a bite and show you what the inside is like. This shawarma looks juicy, so I feel like I might actually like it. It's okay. The only thing is I feel like it's too small for 2,000 naira, but who am I to judge? This is what the inside looks like. The mayo sauce is nice. There's tomato. I keep mixing potato and tomato together. But we'll get in there. This shawarma is nice, so I kind of like it. Yesterday's shawarma is still like my best. This can be my 3rd best. Lovely, lovely. Can I do like this? I recommend. They obviously didn't like for this one when they said the shawarma company is really nice. Funny thing is that I'm a beef person, but I don't know why I'm buying chicken shawarma. Oh, I actually like both, I'm not lying. I'll see y'all in my next shawarma video. That's going to be my last shawarma video. Hopefully you guys are able to know shawarma places with the shawarma video that I'm doing for you guys. But I don't know if Shawarma Co have branches on the mainland. Good afternoon to you. So you guys, this is the last day of my shawarma review. Yes, and if you haven't watched my ice cream review, you better go and watch it. So I'm at 01 Shawarma now, and that is the place. Can you see it's 01 Shawarma? I've been told that their shawarma is bomb, so let's put it to test. So guys, 01 shawarma actually is actually 1,200 naira for just chicken only, no sausage, and they wrap it in this beautiful pack just to let you guys know that you are having 01 shawarma. I don't have chill. The outside is actually really hard, like crispy. Not bad. This is what the inside looks like. Can you see it, bro? I can tell they put ketchup in this thing. This shawarma is actually nice. I kind of like it. Not bad. Very thing is that chicken is actually scanty. Like there's not much chicken in it. Like I'm supposed to be, every bite I take I should have chicken in it. Won't lie, I still prefer Milano shawarma and TFC shawarma to this shawarma. I feel like I found my joint. Milano is my best, followed by TFC. Then Shawarma Co is actually nice as well. So yeah, I have gone to shawarma places in Lagos, especially the island. So if you guys are looking for shawarma spots, I'm your plug. I got you. So I've told you the ones I like so far. So many people have been saying they liked Nabi, I don't know the name of that one, and Farmcity or Titto shawarma, that's Ebeano shawarma. But to me, I like Milano, TFC, and Shawarma Co. And this one too is okay. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. This will probably be my last food video, so you guys will be like, thank God. Every time she's always eating. I wonder why she's more fat. God loves me. I gotta go party. I wanna go foreign.